Hi there, and welcome at Smully Art. One of the coolest things about having this YouTube channel is that I get to know so many amazing people around the world that are so supportive of what I do. So thank you all for that, you guys are amazing. And also that I get the opportunity of meeting so many great artists. Being part of such an art community is great fun. I really love to engage with all these artists and to do a fun collaboration from time to time. And in today's video I want to pay tribute to another amazing artist who is very supportive of this channel, and that is Doctorr Rocke. He is a very fun guy and a phenomenal artist. He has a great YouTube channel, so go check it out. And recently he came up with a very cool idea, and that is to combine comic book characters with doodles. These illustrations are great fun to look at, so as a tribute to him I thought why not create one of these pieces of my own. Doc, this one's for you. I hope you like it. Hey man, how's the drawing coming along? Well, I like the way this is turning out. What do you think? Nice! Very nice! Hey, what I wanted to talk to you about. It would be nice if the viewers gave this video a thumbs up. That would be nice for sure. I always mention this at the end of my videos. Oh, cool! And don't forget to mention as well that they can subscribe, and if they hit the bell then they get notified when I put out new videos. Don't you worry, I have that part all covered. Oh, okay, great. Then I'll leave you to it. Good luck with the drawing, man. Superheroes. Oh well. Well, that's it for this week's video. I hope you liked my drawing doc and I hope you guys liked it as well. If you all did, hit the like button, subscribe if you aren't already, and hit the bell to be notified when I put out new videos. It's every Friday, a great way to start the weekend. And if you know somebody in your surroundings, a family member or a friend who would like to see these kinds of videos as well, please don't hesitate to share. That wraps up this week's video. We will see each other again next Friday. Bye!